I'm now in Liverpool Street. This is all Liverpool Street area going towards the famous Liverpool Street Market. I haven't been here in years. You have Five Guys here. That's cool. Of course, the whole area has changed a lot from when I was here 9 years ago. Football fans in England, in Britain as a whole, football is like a religion. This is the Liverpool Street Market. Doesn't look like what I remember it to be like. Remember it to be a little bit more denser. It's typically like a Sunday market. This is a big Sunday market. It's been around for years, even when I lived in London years ago. This is the Liverpool Street Market. You can find almost anything here. Years ago, you used to have folks here who were so used to Nigerians that they even spoke Yoruba. Whoa, they even have you saw it.
Hello.
And it keeps going and going and going. I'm trying to find where they sell Nigerian prints. This is one of them.
I'll show you.
See, they sell Nigerian clothing here. Lace. Hi, how you doing?
Sir, there is no picture allowed. I'm sorry.
Okay, it's all right.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. No picture allowed. Most of these guys, they're so used to selling to Africans that they even speak the different African languages. Well, that's it for... Look at that dog. That dog looked more like a horse. So that's it for the Liverpool street market. If you're ever in London, take the Central Line to Liverpool Street. And on Sunday morning, you can come see the Liverpool Street Market. It's endless. It just goes on and on and on and on. But this is where I'm going to end it. The video. If you like the video, you can share it, like it, and subscribe to the channel. That's it for the... that's another place where they sell Nigerian wares over there. You can see the Nigerian prints. Wow, it's nice. Wonder if they will give me a good deal. Before I end the video, let me show some more. That's another one down there. Well, I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching.